Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to put the most popular moving averages, and they are the simple period moving average. Okay, here you see I have the platform which I'm using is Saxo Trader Pro. Okay, and the pair which I trade is a forex. It's euro and USD because euro is my base currency. Okay, it's actually one of the best thing to start learning as a trading because the commissions are low. Yes, it is very volatile, heavily leveraged market, and I still think it's the best to start learning. Okay, so let's get to the subject of the moving average. So we're going to start. I have a 15-minute chart and I have a daily chart and a weekly chart. So we're going to put the most commonly used, that is simple moving average, 20 period moving average. Okay, so the color is blue, and the next one which is commonly used is 200 period moving average. Okay, let me change the color to red. Okay, this is basically what you would need to start with to understand. You can, if you want, you can put 100 as well, 50 as well, but I would say 20 and 200 are most commonly used, so you understand what is the direction of the market. The direction also can be, here you see it was in a red zone when I call it, when the 20 is below the 200, it is called as a red zone. But there is something called traps. Okay, this is for a bigger game, but if you understand this one's for a beginner, it's pretty good. 15-minute chart, 20 and 200, all it does is it averages the last closing price of the 20 bars of the 15-minute chart, and the same thing the 200 does is averages the last closing price of 200 bars of the 15-minute chart. So let me start with the daily chart. I will put a simple moving average 20 and the same 200. Okay, the same with the color change. And you see, basically when you put this thing, you see the zones. Once the 20 goes above the 200, it is considered in the green zone. See, once the 20 went down, how the transition with the big bar, this is a quite heavy bar. Yeah, that's how you transit into the next zones. You cannot go with the smaller bars. And then you finally went into the red zone, and then they transited here with the bigger bars to the green zone. Okay, and here we have a weekly chart. Then we go to put 20 period moving average. Okay, and 200 period moving average. Okay, so let me change the color to red, and you see the direction as well. See, all the way it was in a red zone, and then it bounced back and transited to the green zone. Okay, this is what basically you need to understand the market as the beginner. Okay, from here I can put a 5-minute chart and do the same, 220. Then I can see on a 2-minute chart, 220. You can put 100 as well. You can, if you have a trading platform, you keep trying and see what it does to different moving averages. You see, now you have 20 and 100. You can go on to start trading with 20 and 100 or 50 and 20, however you want. But the bigger game is how you get trapped. Okay, so all you need to know is this moving averages, the simple ones, which will make you understand where you are heading. Okay, this was the goal of the video. This is for educational purposes. Thank you for your time, and God bless. Thank you.